All of you, and today I wanted to bring up a very new and a unique concept around visibility. Is that can visibility be fun? Because the way adulthood or adult population looks at fun is that it's childish. It's not something that we can do on a day-to-day basis, because tasks are to be done in a serious way. And Picasso, who is a well-known, of course, renowned painter, actually said that he spent his lifetime trying to be playful, and wanted to bring child like kind of art into his paintings. Now, why is this so much of effort around playfulness? And what are the benefits of playfulness? And can we link playfulness with visibility and bring in some unique solutions around it? Think about it and let me know. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.